Hello students, good morning to you all. I welcome back to Science online class. Have you remember habits and adaptations in desert and grasslands? Deserts are dry lands that receive very less or no rainfall. Grasslands are very flat and open lands that are mostly covered with tall grasses. Grasslands get more rain than a desert. Shall I ask few questions from last day portions? Okay. Why is camel called ship of the desert? Because camels carry very big loads from one side of the desert to the other. What is the difference between deserts and grasslands? The soil of desert regions are dry and mostly made out of sand. Desert soil is not fertile soil, but the soil of the grassland is fertile and contains enough amount of moisture and other soil nutrients. Okay children, have you seen mountains and rainforest? Yes, normally we can see the mountains in our area, isn't it? Yes. What is the speciality of mountains? The 15 highest mountains in the world are in the Himalayas. In the Himalayas, over 100 mountains. The Himalayas are so high that they kept the Indian and Chinese people separate from each other most of the time. Mountains usually have steep, sloping sides and sharp or rounded ridges, and a high point called a peak or summit. A mountain rises at least 1,000 feet or more above its surrounding area. A mountain range is a series or chain of mountains that are close together. What is the speciality of rainforest? The rainforests are home of half of the earth's plant and animal species. Tropical rainforests help mountain, global rain and weather patterns. Much of the water that evaporates from the trees returns in the form of rainfall. Do you know the Amazon rainforest? Yes, the Amazon rainforest covers only 4% of the Earth's surface. It contains a third of all known terrestrial plant, animal, and insect species. Children, already we have learned about camouflaging. Do you remember? Yes. What is the meaning of camouflaging? To hide the presence of a person, animal, or object. According to their surrounding, animals change their color. For example, butterflies camouflage to hide themselves from enemies. Cheetah hides from their prey. Their body coats blend with their surroundings, so they can attack their prey. And zebras have stripes on their coats, help to trick their predators. When in a group, many animals like snake, stick insects, tigers, change their body coats with the environment. This is called camouflaging. And one type of habitat is rainforest. It is a type of habitat found on land. These are the regions that get a lot of rainfall all the time. Thick vegetation of all trees found in rainforest that grow very close together. Because of very closer and thick trees, they will get less sunlight. Animals that found in rainforest, most of the time they live in tall trees. Butterflies, snakes, termites, monkeys, gorillas are found in rainforest. And another type of habitat is mountains. Mountains are the coldest habitats. These regions are covered with snow almost all the year. Many separate habitats make up mountain habitat as a whole. Animals in the mountains have also adopted to save energy during the harsh winter months. Some animals save energy and avoid harsh winter conditions. Other animals reduce their activity level, saving their energy only to look for food. These are mostly treeless regions. The polar regions are called tundras. These places are cold and covered with snow. In tundras, the temperature rises above 0 degrees centigrade for only a few months each year. Tundra means treeless hill. Tundra has low-lying plants, small shrubs, grasses with small flowers growing between the rocks. Tundra covers about 1/5 of Earth's land surface. Because of the cold climate, trees cannot grow in the mountain. Polar bears, Arctic fox, seal, walrus, these are the animals are found in the polar regions. Then mountain goats, mountain fox, white deer, snow leopards are the animals live in the mountain. Most animals grow long thick coat of fur and store fat under their skin to keep their bodies warm. What is the difference between rainforest and mountain? Rainforests get a lot of rain and have thick vegetation of tall trees. But the mountains are the coldest habitat. It is a treeless regions. Good morning, children. How are you? In which topic we have learned today? Different types of habitat. Okay. Which are the types of habitat we have learned in the last class? Desert and grasslands. Two types. So, do you remember? Yes? Okay. Desert. Desert means it is a dry lands. It will get less rain. Is it? Which are the animals can live on the desert? Camel, then snakes, lizard, turtle. Okay, these are the types of, only few types of animals can live in the desert. Okay, normally camel can live in the desert. Okay, this is the ship of the desert. Which is the ship of desert? Camel. Camel is called ship of the desert. Okay, which are the parts are there in the camel? Humps, nostrils, leathery mouth. Okay, these are the all types of the parts will be used for camel to live on the desert. Okay, each parts of the camel has special features. These are the special features can live in the camel. Okay, it is good adaptation for the camels on the desert. Next one is grasslands. What is the meaning of grassland? Grasslands are very flat and open area. Okay, only the big type of grasses will be grow on the grasslands. Okay, which are the animals can live on the grasslands? Elephant, zebra, giraffe, lion. Okay, these are the animals can live on the grasslands. When we compare the desert and grasslands, grasslands will get more rain. Okay, when we compare the desert, grasslands will get more rain. Next one is camouflaging. What is the meaning of camouflaging? Already we have learned in the last subject. Is it? Camouflaging means according to their surroundings, animals or insects or birds can change their color. Okay, to escape from their predators. Okay, butterflies can change their color, and then cheetah. Okay, then snake. Okay, these are the types can change their color according to their surroundings. That is called camouflaging. Today we are studying about rainforest and mountains. Okay, listen children. Next type of habitat is rainforest. Rainforest means a lot of rainfall at all the times. Okay, rainforest get a lot of rainfall all the times. Okay, in that rainforest growing many plants or many trees growing too long, and also they will be grow closely. Okay, closely together all the plants will be grow closely. Because of growing tall trees, many types of animals can live on the trees. Which are the animals can live on the rainforest? Monkeys, gorilla, butterflies, termites, squirrel. Okay, these are the types of animals can live on the trees. Okay, because the many trees are growing too long and it will be growing closer. Okay, mountains are coldest region. Okay, always it will be cold, so that only few types of plants, shrubs and grasses can grow in between the rocks. Okay, big type of plants and trees cannot grow because always the mountains will be cool, very cold. Okay, tundras. What is the meaning of tundras? Tundras means polar regions. The polar regions are called tundras. Polar regions are called tundras. In polar region, which are the animals can live? Polar bear, penguin. Okay, these are the types of animals can live in polar regions. Okay, the mountains, it is the very coldest region. Okay, most of the animals can live on mountains. They have thick coat of fur. Okay, what is the use of that? They will be storing their fat under their skin. They will be keep their bodies warm. Okay, so that which are the animals can live on that mountain? Yak, mountain fox, goat, walrus, seal. These are the types of animals can live on polar regions as well as mountains. Okay, in which are the topics we have studied today? Rainforest and mountains. In the next class we can study about fresh waters and ocean. These are the two types of habitat we can study. Okay, listen, we have completed 4 types of habitat: desert, grassland, rainforest and mountains. You should refer the book clearly. Okay children? Children, now take your students book, page number 64. We can do an exercise. Page number 64. Question A. Give 2 examples for each of the following. First question. Adaptations in fish. Answer fins or scales. F-I-N-S, fins. S-C-A-L-E-S, scales. Second question. Habitats on land. Desert and rainforest. You can write anything, okay? You can write any habitat. D-E-S-E-R-T, desert. R-A-I-N-F-O-R-E-S-T, rainforest. Third question. Desert animals. You can write any type of desert animals, okay? C-A-M-E-L, camel. Next one is desert snake. D-E-S-E-R-T, desert. S-N-A-K-E, snake. Fourth one, animals that camouflage. Answer zebra and snake. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. S-N-A-K-E, snake. Fifth question, rainforest animals. Answer red-eyed frog and gorilla. R-E-D, red. E-Y-E-D, F-R-O-G, frog. Gorilla, G-O-R-I-L-L-A, gorilla. Question B, cross the odd one out in each of the following. First question, climate, geography, habitat, sloth. Answer is sloth. Second question, fins, gills, scales and camel. Answer is camel. Third one, food, water, adaptation and shelter. Answer is adaptation. Fourth one, camel, desert, dry, rainforest. Answer is rainforest. You should write the answer, okay? In the next class, we can study about fresh waters and oceans. These are the types of habitat, okay? You can refer the book and it is easy for you, okay children? Thank you.